meron tayong normative theories or normative ethics, no?
Actually, meron tayong tatlong normative ethics. Si deontological, consequential, and virtue ethics, no? Which is, yung virtue ethics is our main topic for today. So, I'll just have some brief discussions sa pagkakaiba nila. Si deontological, kasi yung definition niya ng good is about fulfillment of duty or discharge of moral obligations, no? Sumusunod ito sa mga strict moral rules or laws. Kumbaga, nakapokus yung good niya sa responsibility or intention or duty ng agent. Whereas si consequential ethics naman, from the word itself, consequential, nakapokus yung good niya sa consequences or yung outcome ng action ng mga tao. And then, here's virtue ethics, no? Kung saan nakapokus siya mainly sa character naman ng tao or yung pagka-well-being ng tao. At yung good niya is tinatawag na eudaimonia. So, as you can see, si deontological ethics and consequential ethics are basing on the action, no? While si virtue ethics is more on the character mismo. So, it is about developing into a virtuous person and living a moral life. And yung question, it's not about what should I do, but rather what kind of person I want to be or what kind of person should I be. So first, let's know kung anong ibig sabihin ng virtue. So base sa Oxford Dictionary sa internet, virtue is a noun pertaining to behavior that shows a high moral standards. Pero kay Aristotle, hindi lamang siya nalilimit sa pagpapakita ng magagandang asal, no? Ng magagandang katangian. Hindi siya about sa pagpapakitang tao lamang. Meron daw itong malalim na kahulugan para sa kanya. So, sa concept ng virtue ni Aristotle, the word virtue came from the Greek word Arese na kapag translate mo, ibig sabihin is excellence. And ayon sa kanya, it is the quality that enables the thing to perform its function well. No? So kumbaga, no, kung ihahalimbawa natin siya sa bagay, kung let's say TV, no, ang ating TV daw ay good if it's functioning well. Kung nakakapanood ka ng maayos, walang sirang sa sound, maayos yung screen, ganon. Kapag hindi naman ito gumagana, hindi ka nakakapanood ng mga palabas, o kaya may basag yung screen, kino-consider dito as a bad TV. So, to understand a bit more, let's take a look sa theory of causation ni Aristotle, no? He believed that everything in reality was working towards a telos. So, itong telos na ito, if you translate it, it refers to an end or a purpose. So, lahat ng bagay daw ay mayroong telos. Ang masasabi natin na ang isang bagay ay good or bad based kung gaano niya ginawa or finulfill yung purpose niya. Like yung example ko sa TV kanina. Ang purpose ng TV is makapanood yung mga tao. So, pag nakapanood na maayos yung mga tao, then it's a good TV. So, let's make another example. No? So, kunyari sa seed. Meron kang seed dyan. Ang telos ng seed is to grow into a beautiful flower. And once it has grown into a beautiful flower, it has reached its telos. No? So, sa kutsilyo, no? Kunyari sa kutsilyo. Ang telos ng kutsilyo is to cut. If a knife is able to cut when a human wants to, then it has reached its telos and it's fulfilling its purpose. Kapag hindi naman siya maka-cut, then it's not fulfilling its purpose and it's a bad knife. And same thing applies to us, no? Human beings. Meron din daw tayong telos, or we have also the purpose. And this is the same purpose for each and every human para kay Aristotle.